method, we are going to use the Trig ratios to find a side length. Let's look at the following example. Notice what is given in this right angle triangle. Angle A is 53 degrees. According to angle A, we are given 53 degrees, which is 4 centimeter is the opposite side, and we're trying to find adjacent side X. The only Trig ratio that relates opposite side and adjacent side is 10. Now we plug in the numbers that we are given. So tan 53 degrees equals 4 over X. Let's find tan ratio 53 on our calculators, which is 1.32704. Remember this number as a fraction over 1. Now let's cross multiply. Now we get 1.32704x equals 4. Now we divide by the number that it is in front of x for both sides. After dividing both sides by this number, then x equals 3.07, which is approximately 3 centimeters. Now let's look at different example. In this example, right angle triangle, we are given angle A 53 degrees. According to angle A 53 degrees, we are given the opposite side is 4 meters. Therefore, we have to find X is the hypotenuse side. The only Trig ratio that relates the opposite and the hypotenuse is sine. Now we plug in the numbers that we are given. Sine 53 degrees equals 4 over X. Now find sine 53 on our calculators, which it is equals to 0.79863. Remember this number as a fraction over 1. Now we can cross multiply. We end up with 0.79863x equals 4. Now we divide by the number in front of x for both sides. After dividing the number from both sides, therefore x equals 5. Let's take a look at our final example. In this right angle triangle, we are given angle A 53 degrees. According to angle A 53 degrees, we are given the hypotenuse is 5 kilometers and we need to find the adjacent side X. The only ratio that relates the adjacent and the hypotenuse is cosine. Now let's plug in the numbers that we are given. Cosine 53 degrees equals X over 5. Now we find cosine 53 on our calculators, which it is equals to 0.60181. Remember this number as a fraction over 1. Now we cross multiply. Therefore, we got x equals 3.009, which is approximate to 3. Noticing in this example, x is at the top, so we don't have to divide by any number.